Hey, hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to solve it when your desktop icons suddenly have disappeared. Now let's say there are a couple of items that disappeared or simply all the current items. Now let's get straight into it. Now the first thing that you want to do is actually make sure that this is not a setting for your desktop as you have it right now. So simply what you want to do first is right click the desktop and from there go to view. Now here make sure that show desktop icons is set on, because if you have turned this off, as you can see, the desktop icons will disappear. Now for the second option, it's more inside the settings of the Windows PC. Now what we want to do, we want to go down to the start icon right here and we want to open up. Now from there we want to go down to the settings, as you can see, the system settings, and from out the system settings we want to go to personalization. Now from out here there's a load of options to choose from. We're going to the themes, and inside the themes you have a related setting called desktop icon settings. Now here this window pops up, and as you can see I only have my recycle bin enabled. Now these are the standardized options for Windows. So if you want the computer user files, network and control panel to be enabled on your desktop, simply press apply, press OK, and as you can see they appear right here, and it's very handy to have them. Now if this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.